Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the midweek market breakdown. Now, guys, on this session, we are still keeping up with our watch list, just that we are focusing on forecasting our interests so we can execute on this pairs. Now, we've been focusing on what the GBP over the USD. So, with this one, let us start on the high time frame, and let me give you a breakdown on this one and how are we looking at this. So first and foremost, so this one on the daily, as you can see, we do have what this small impulsive move. This was what our first corrective structure forming a breakout, impulsing down, and this is our second corrective structure. That's forming what a breakout. So this is having what a higher probability of dropping all the way to the downside. And if we can do it, go into our lower time frame, what are we seeing? So on the lower time frame, as you did say, we are expecting for price to give us that selling impulsive move to the downside. But on the lower time frame is going to look like what? Small impulsive move and corrections. So that's how price is looking like. So on this one, we did do what we did, set an entry on this one. Price did take us in. So it seems like this one did do what? Did hit our stop loss. So this one did take us out at what? At minus 1%. So we are still going to do what? We are still going to look for further sells. Something like this, small impulsive move followed by a corrective structure, and so on and so on. And that is how we'll be able to capitalize on ourselves, because we've been tracking this to give us what? Sells all the way to the downside. So now into our next pair, we are having what? The AUD over the USD. Once again, with this one, let us go into what? The higher time frame, and let us break this down also. So this one also, once again, what are we? In the daily, we are seeing price give us this impulsive move, and this is what our corrective structure. Price did give us a breakout, so this is having what? A higher probability of dropping to the downside. And now on our lower time frame, that impulsive move is going to look like what? Multiple impulses and corrections, as you can see price over here. So we did execute which one? We did execute this one. This morning we did take what? This sells, so price did drop all the way and give us somewhere around 1.58% profit, and then we moved our stop loss into break even. So this one only took us out for a break even, but we are still looking forward for that selling move to the downside in the form of an impulse, followed by what? A small continuation all the way to the downside, like so. So we are still going to be looking at what? At sells on this pair, like so. And now onto what our next pair, which is what? The New Zealand dollar over the US dollar. So also with this one, let us do it. Let's go into the higher time frame. Okay, guys. Now with this one, let us give this time to load a bit. But yeah, guys, just looking at the charts from a naked perspective, we are seeing that this is what our impulsive move, and this is what our overall corrective structure. Price did form at the breakout over here, and then price did impulse down. And then over here, where we're having a similar situation whereby price is in a corrective phase. Once it breaks out like it did over here, this will be having what? A higher probability of dropping all the way to the downside. So with this one, we are still waiting for additional confirmation. But yeah, guys, let's give this a second to load. But yeah, guys, with this pair, we are still waiting for price to give us